Hello, students. Wish you a very pleasant morning. In today's class of English, we will enjoy reading a funny poem of your textbook titled Dad and the Cat and the Tree. We will know the summary of it, we'll see the word meanings, and also know the answers of the questions given at the back. Let us start reading the poem. This morning a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, "Right, just leave it to me." The tree was wobbly, the tree was tall. Mum said, "For goodness sake, don't fall." Fall? Scoffed Daddy. "A climber like me? Child's play, this is. You wait and see." He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. "Never mind," said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. "We'll try plan B. Stand out of the way," Mum said. "Don't fall again, okay?" "Fall again?" said Dad. "Funny joke." Then he swung himself up on a branch. It broke. Dad landed wallop back on the deck. Mum said, "Stop it. You'll break your neck." "Rubbish," said Dad. "Now we'll try plan C. Easy as winking to a climber like me." Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk, right on the cat. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as punch to be safe and sound. So it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be, but poor old Dad's still stuck up the tree. So, dear students, this is a very humorous poem composed by the poet Kit Wright. I hope you have enjoyed. Now we'll know the summary of this particular poem. The meaning of the lines of the poem is as follows. One morning a cat got stuck in the tree. The narrator's dad decided that he will easily be able to take care of it. Narrator's father decided to climb the tree. His wife warned him that he might fall, but ignoring her warning, he climbed the ladder, slipped, and fell down. Having fallen once, he thought of trying again another way. Yet again, ignoring his wife's warnings, he swung himself up on a branch. The branch broke and again he fell. Not giving up still, the father climbed up the garden wall. Luckily, this time he didn't fall. However, the moment he sprang onto the tree, the cat jumped to the ground, safe and sound. Poor old father, on the other hand, got stuck in the tree. So it's a very easy poem, dear students, and the very easy language is also used while writing composing this poem. So although I've told you the summary of this poem, but you would have done yourself also. The lines are very familiar. The English is very easy to understand, and the poem is very humorous and funny. This poem gives us a lesson also that the dad, being the head of the family, is doing childlike activities just to bring happiness and smile on the face of his family members, his children, and he was ready to do all those childish activities which could make his family members happy. So this kind of poems give us happiness and relaxation. Like we are always stressed with our studies and our whole day's work and lot of tensions, and so many matters are there, where if we could read this kind of poems, these poems give, we can get relaxation, and we, our stress could be removed by reading this kind of poems. So you should give the reading of this poem aloud at home, so that if you pronounce any word wrongly, your parents or any elderly person could correct you. So I think this is enough for today. So your homework will be that if you wish, you can write the summary in your copy. That will be better when you'll read the poem again, because during MCQs, writing answering in MCQs, it is required to know the meaning of the poems, so it will help you. And then you will write the word meanings also given at the back, and I'll send you all these things in the PDF, the summary, the word meanings, and the question answers through the PDF, and you will write them in your fair copy, course copy. I hope you have understood this poem and enjoyed it. Going to wind up here. Stay safe, take care of yourself. Thank you.